Hi everyone, this 3-wire is where most people get confused when wiring this flow switch here, and in this video I'm going to show you the right one to use so that you don't damage your water pump. So let's begin. So when you look at our flow switch closely, you will find a 3-wire. This black wire is the common wire of this float switch, and this blue wire is the normal open wire of this float switch. So we are going to use this black wire and this blue wire for the control. So this black wire, I'm going to connect it to live wire of our live wire here in our breaker. So go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do it this way. So now this blue wire, the normal open wire, we are going to connect it to A1 of our contactor coil. So when you look here, you can see that here is A1 and here is A2 of our contactor. So we are going to connect this wire to A1 of our contactor. Okay. Put it, tighten it. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to connect our neutral wire from L2 to A2 of our contactor coil. So we'll go ahead and do it. And now we are done with the wiring. So then test. First, I'll go ahead and switch on my breaker. And now when there is no water in your tank, your water pump will switch on automatically. And when there is water in your tank, it goes off automatically. So this is how to wire a flow switch. So thanks so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.